Hello everyone, I'm going to start exercise 3.3. So first question is, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equals to minus 1 by 2. So I'm going to start with left hand side. So left hand side is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. So we can write it as sin of pi by 6 whole square plus cos of pi by 3 whole square minus tan of pi by 4 whole square. Now we can apply here values of this trigonometric function. Sin of pi by 6, we know that the value is 1 by 2. Now cos of pi by 3, the value is 1 by 2. Tan of pi by 4, value is 1. Now we'll calculate 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So here we have 2 by 4 minus 1. So here we can write it as minus 1 by 2 and this is equals to right hand side. So it is proved. Now the second question, prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So we'll start with left hand side. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Now we are knowing value of sin pi by 6, but we don't know value of cosec of 7 pi by 6. We'll find out first. So I am finding here cosec 7 pi by 6. We can write this as cosec pi plus pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 as pi plus pi by 6. Now this is in third quadrant. And we know that third quadrant cosec is negative. So we can write it as cosec pi plus theta. Cosec pi plus theta is minus cosec theta. So in place of cosec 7 pi by 6 I can write minus cosec pi by 6 and then I can solve it. This is the rough part, because of that I am going to remove it. So here we can write sin of pi by 6 whole square plus this value as minus cosec pi by 6 whole square into cos pi by 3 whole square. So sin pi by 6, that is 1 by 2. Now square is there, so minus will be plus, then cosec pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6 is 2. And then cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 square. So finally here we have 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. So here we are getting 1 by 2 plus 1. So it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, that is right hand side 2. Now third question, prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 equals to 6. So we'll start with left hand side. So it is cot pi by 6 whole square we can write. Then it is cosec 5 pi by 6 and 3 tan pi by 6 whole square. This is the left hand side. Again we don't know cosec 5 pi by 6. So we'll find out here. So cosec 5 second quadrant, cosec is positive. So we'll write it as cosec pi minus theta, that is cosec theta. So cosec pi by 6. So in place of cosec 5 pi by 6, we can write cosec pi by 6. Space is not there, because of that I am going to rub it. So we can write it as cosec pi by 6, and it is 3 tan pi by 6 whole square. So cot pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3 and whole square. Sorry, it is root 3 whole square plus cosec pi by 6, that is 2, and tan pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3, then square. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. So we are getting here 3 plus 2 plus 1. So we are getting RHS. RHS is 6. Question number 4. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 equals to 10. So starting with left hand side, 2 sin square 2 sin 3 pi by 4 whole square plus 2 cos pi by 4 whole square plus 2 sec pi by 3 whole square. This is the left hand side. Now again we don't know sin 3 pi by 4 value. So we'll find out. We can write it as sin of pi minus pi by 4. And this is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. 2 cos pi by 4 whole square plus 2 sec pi by 3 whole square. So I can write it as sin of pi minus theta, that is sin theta. So sin of pi by 4 whole square. This is 2 cos pi by 4 whole square. This is 2 sec pi by 3 whole square. So sin pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2 plus 2 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 square. So we'll calculate it as 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4. So finally we'll have here 1 plus 1 plus 8. 1 plus 1 plus 8, and this is equals to 10. RHS root. Question number 5, we have to find value of sine 75 degree. So we'll split the 75 into two angles. That values we are knowing, means we can split it 75 as 30 plus 45. Means I can write it as sine of 30 plus 45. Means we are splitting in a form where we can apply values of trigonometric functions. Now we will apply a formula of sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, and this is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So A I am taking here 30 degree and B I am taking here 45 degree. So I am applying here. So sin 30 cos 45 then cos 30 sin 45. Now we'll apply sin 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 cos 45, that is 1 by root 2 cos 30, that is 1 by root 3 by 2, and sin 45, that is 1 by root 2. So we can write it as 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. So finally we have here 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. So this is our answer. Now fifth second number, we have to find out value of tan 15 degree. So again here 15 degree we will split in two angles. So we can write it like that, 45 degree minus 30 degree. Because we know that 45 degree value in tan and tan 30 degree also we are knowing. Because of that we are splitting like that. Now we will apply a formula, tan of A minus B. So tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. And here A I am taking 45 degree and B I am taking 30 degree. So I am applying. So tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Now tan 45 value I am going to apply, that is 1, then tan 30 value, that is 1 by root 3. So I am applying here 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So we can write it as root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 plus 1. So we'll have root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So this is our answer. Now question number 6. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. So we'll start with left hand side part and we will consider here cos of pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus x as a, pi by 4 minus y as b. And then we have to apply here formula of cos a plus b, because we know that cos a plus b equals to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So based on that we will prove. Whenever we have to prove, always we have to see right hand side part. In right hand side sign is there. So based on that we will prove. So formula, here left hand side is cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. After that I am going to consider here pi by 4 minus x as a and pi by 4 minus y as b. So when I am applying it, so it is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. And you know that this is cos of a plus b formula. So now after that I am going to apply values of a and b. So cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus 1, and then I am going to calculate it. So cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that cos theta. So it is sin theta. So sin of x plus y. Sin x plus y, that is RHS. So it is true. Question number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. So we'll start with left hand side. So here tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. So I am going to apply here formula of tan a plus b in numerator and denominator tan a minus b. So we know that tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. And similarly in minus tan a minus b, that is tan a minus b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So this formula I am going to apply. So tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x divisible by tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Formula I have applied, and then I will apply value of tan pi by 4. So 1 plus tan x, tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 minus tan x by 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So we can write it as 1 plus tan x whole square by 1 minus tan x whole square. Means this is right hand side part. Good. So this is the way to prove. Whenever you have to apply formula, we have to apply formula. It depends on the question. Question number 8. Prove that cos pi plus x into cos minus x by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equals to what square x. So here we will apply values one by one, means quadrant values in different angles, means cos of pi plus x. We know that cos pi plus theta, that is it is in third quadrant, and in third quadrant cos is negative. So minus cos x, then sin pi minus x. Pi minus x second quadrant, sin pi minus x, that is sin x, and in second quadrant sin is positive. And next is cos of pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x means second quadrant cos is negative. So and pi by 2 is there. So we will write it as minus sin x. So these values I am going to apply in left hand side. So left hand side part is cos pi plus x into cos minus x by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. So directly I am applying cos pi plus x, that is minus cos x, and we know that cos of minus x is cos x, by sin pi minus x, that is sin x, into cos pi by 2 plus x, that is minus sin x. So here we have cos square x by sin square x. So that is cos square x, and this is RHS. Now question number 9 cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x equals to 1. We have to prove it. So left hand side will start. Here in left hand side, all values are, all functions are in quadrant forms, means cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x. We can apply value of cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x. Now cos 2 pi plus x, we know the value of cos 2 pi plus x. Similarly, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x value we know, and then cot 2 pi plus x value also we know. So we will apply it directly. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, left hand side will start 2 pi plus x, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, this is 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 plus x means in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive and this is y-axis angle, so cos will change. So it will be sine of x plus cos 2 pi plus x, 2 pi plus x means first quadrant or fifth quadrant. So in the fifth quadrant, all positive, so it is cos x. Now cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, 3 pi by 2 minus means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cot is positive and 3 pi by 2 is y-axis angle, so it will change, means tan x plus cot of 2 pi plus x, 2 pi plus x in the fifth quadrant or first quadrant. So cot of x all positive in fifth or first quadrant. So here there will be product. So sin x cos x, it is sin x by cos x plus cos x by sin x. Now we will find out the LCM. Sin x cos x, sin square x plus cos square x by sin x into cos x. So if we are removing this bracket, so what we are getting, we can reduce these two, all both are equal, and sin square x plus cos square x, we know that is 1. So finally we can write it as 1, and in right hand side also 1 is there, so it is true. This is question number 10. Here also we have to prove sin n plus 1 into x into sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x into cos n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x. We have to prove. So I am going to start with left hand side. Here also we can take this as angle A, this as angle B. So sin A into sin B plus cos A into cos B. So this is formula of cos A minus B. So I am going to apply. Let n plus 1 into x equals to A and n plus 2 into x equals to B. So left hand side I can write as sin A into sin B plus cos A into cos B. So we know that this is formula of cos A minus B. Now I am going to apply A and B values here. cos of n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. So this is cos of nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. So plus nx minus nx here cos of minus x. So this is constant. Now we'll discuss questions from exercise 3.3 NCERT book. So question number 16, cos 9x minus cos 5x divisible by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x by cos 10x. We have to prove it. So we'll start with left hand side part. Left hand side is cos 9x minus cos 5x by sin 17x minus sin 3x. So here in numerator, I'm going to apply sin x minus cos x minus cos y formula or identity that we have discussed earlier. And in the denominator, I'm applying sin x minus sin y formula. So first of all, I'm writing. So we know that cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. And sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So in numerator, I'm applying this one, cos x minus cos y. So minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x by 2 into sin 9x minus 5x by 2. And in denominator, sin x minus sin y formula. So it is 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 into sin 17x minus 3x by 2. Now we'll calculate it. So minus 2 sin 14x by 2 into sin 4x by 2 divisible by 2 cos 20x by 2 into sin 14x by 2. So we can write it as minus 2 sin 7x into sin 2x by 2 cos 10x into sin 7x. Here we can reduce 2 in the numerator and denominator. After that, sin 7x, sin 7x. So finally we are getting minus sin 2x by cos 10x, and this is equals to RHS. So it is proved. Now question number 21 of this exercise 3.3. Question is, prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divisible by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. So I'm starting with left hand side part. Cos 4x. First of all, I am rearranging the terms, means I am taking cos 4x and cos 2x together. Why I am taking like that? Because we have to find out right hand side part. Because of that, I am doing like that. So cos 4x plus cos 2x and then cos 3x divisible by sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sine 3x. So here we will apply in numerator cos x plus cos y formula, in denominator sin x plus sin y formula. So cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So I'm applying here 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 plus cos 3x divisible by I'm applying sin x plus sin y formula, that is 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 plus sin 3x. So we'll calculate it. 2 cos 6x by 2 into cos 2x by 2 plus cos 3x divisible by 2 sin 6x by 2 into cos 2x by 2 plus sin 3x. Now we can solve it. So it will be a 2 cos 3x into cos x plus cos 3x divisible by 2 sin 2 sin, this is here 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. Now here you can see in a numerator we can take common cos 3x, and from denominator we can take common sin 3x. So we'll take common. So after taking common, we are getting 2 cos x plus 1 and 2 cos x plus 1 in denominator and numerator both. So we can reduce it. So we are getting here cos 3x by sin 3x. So we can write, we know that cos by sin, that is cot. So cot of 3x. And this is RHS part. Now we'll discuss question number 22. In this question, we have to prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. So whenever these types of questions will be coming, basically these questions can come in terms of tan or cot. So cot question is here. Pattern is here we have x, 2x, 3x, these types of angles. So in this type of question, always we have to take, we'll consider first greater angle. Means here greatest angle is cot of 3x. Randomly we'll select that greatest angle from the question. So cot 3x is the greatest angle, and now I'm splitting this 3x into x and 2x. Means I can write it as cot of x plus 2x. So by using it, we are getting angle 3x also, angle x also, angle 2x also. Now I'm going to apply here formula, that is cot of x plus y. So cot of x plus y is cot x into cot y minus 1 divisible by cot y plus cot x. So that I'm going to apply तो अब अप्लाइड here. Now in left hand side we have cot of 3x. Now I'm multiplying cot 3x with this denominator part, means cross multiplication. So we will get here cot 3x into cot x plus cot 2x is equal to cot x into cot 2x minus 1. Now we'll rearrange the terms, means according to proof, means left hand side and right hand side we'll find out here. So here we are getting cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x. Now I'm taking this cot x into cot 2x in left hand side. So it will be minus cot x into cot 2x is equal to minus 1. Now here in the proving, left hand side values cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. So if we will multiply both sides by minus 1. So here we are getting minus cot 3x into cot x, then minus cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x into cot 2x, and right hand side will be 1. Here multiplying both sides by minus 1. So we can write it as cot x into cot 2x, this term, and after that minus cot 2x into cot 3x, this one, and then minus cot 3x into cot x, means this one is equals to 1, and this is proved. Now question number 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So we'll start with left hand side. So left hand side part is cos 4x. We can write this as cos of 2 into 2x. Now we will apply here cos 2x formula, cos 2x, but in terms of, we have three formula in cos 2x. Here we will use cos 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Why I'm going to use this formula only? Because I have seen in right hand side part 1 minus value is there. So because of that, so it depends on the question which formula you have to use. So I'm using here 1 minus 2 sin square, but in place of x, 2x is there, so 2x. Now one more formula we'll use, that is sin 2x formula. Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. So 1 minus 2, here 2 sin x into cos x whole square. Square is there, the whole square. Now I'm calculating it. 1 minus 2, this is 4 sin square x into cos square x. Now finally we are getting 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x, and this is equals to right hand side. Now question number 25. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So here we'll start with left hand side part. So cos of 6x, we can write it as cos of 2 into 3x. We can write it as cos 3 into 2x also. Means 6x I am splitting in 3 and 2x. Now I am applying here cos 3x formula. We know that cos 3x formula is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So according to that I am applying 4 cos cube. Here angle is 2x. So 2x minus 3 cos 2x. Now I'm applying, here we have 4 cos 2x whole cube minus 3 cos 2x. So again I'm applying cos 2x value. Here we can see in right hand side all are in cos. So according to that I am applying cos 2x value. So cos 2x in terms of cos only I am applying, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. So 4 into 2 cos square x minus 1 to the power 3 minus 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we'll calculate it. This is a minus b whole cube. So we know that a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So 2 cos square x whole cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x into 1 plus 3 2 cos square x minus, it will be a 6 cos square x minus plus, that is 3. Now I'm going to calculate it. This is 8 cos to the power 6x minus 1 minus 3 into 4 cos to the power 4x plus 6 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. And it is 32 cos to the power 6x minus 4 minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 24 cos to the power 2x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now we'll calculate it. So we'll have 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x. Now from these two terms we can get 24 minus 6, that will be 18 plus 18 cos square x and minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1, and this is equals to right hand side 2.